Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at some 2001 Hot Wheels releases. These are all going to be European cars except for one Japanese car. Let's start with the first one, the BMW Z3 Roadster. This is in some kind of a teal color. In Dutch we call it apple blue sea green. This is metal on metal. Got the older style wheels, got the Hot Wheels logo on the boot or trunk, lens headlights, smoked windscreen, and an okay interior, not really that amazing. Next up, a Lamborghini Diablo in some kind of a purple color. So this is also metal on metal. Got the bull on the nose. Some wild graphics on the side. Lamborghini Diablo it says, and again the bull. Got the plastic wing on the back. Very dark windows, but it does have an interior. Next up, the 25th anniversary Lamborghini Countach. A very nice blue, and this one has got the newer style rims on it. It says number 1. This is a plastic base. So these wheels are still used today and they are still nice. I think they still work. Got a white interior. Then we got the one Japanese car, the Toyota MR2, number 145. So this has a plastic base, old style wheels, got some sponsors there. Nothing in the back except for the name on the license plate. The hood, got the Toyota logo and name and Hot Wheels also. And then the 4 light beams in plastic that are part of the base. Next up, Jaguar XJ8, this is number 161. Very nice red color, also got the new wheels. It's got the blue and black stripe on top, it says XJ8. Also got the lens headlights. A very nice version of it. Then number 171, the Mercedes C-Class. It's in a light blue color. It's got the big Hot Wheels logo on the side. Got the lace wheels or snowflake wheels. So I have the hood or bonnet tempo. Got the metal wing in the back, plastic base, 2 exhausts on the right side, and a black interior with a half of a roll cage. Just the back side has a roll cage, nothing in the front. Number 175, the VW Bug. Kind of a flat brown, or should I say enamel brown. It's got the dot wheels, metal base. Got a red interior. The headlights are part of the metal base. Next up, number 214, the Porsche 911 GT3. Kind of a metallic burnt orange. Plastic wing, plastic base. Says number 1 Hot Wheels on the side. Got the headlights that are part of the windscreen. Blue interior. Also has half a roll cage in the back. Next up, number 225. The Mercedes-Benz SLK in silver. This one has also got a metal base, metal body. Got the dot wheels also. It's got a kind of interesting tempo on the hood and the bonnet. Trunk. And boot. Got the black interior. Blue windows are kind of weird because it makes the headlights also look blue. But it's still a nice model. And then last up, number 231, oops, sorry, is the Lotus Project M250 in yellow. Peel and win. Let's see what we won. Nothing. A whole bunch of nothing. Well, we're used to that with Mattel, don't we? So this one has got tempoed headlights. Got the new style wheels also. The rear end is plastic, but it is very detailed. It's got the Lotus molded into it. Got a little Hot Wheels logo. Could have done with some taillights, but you know, since it's that detailed, it's quite okay. This black part is not tempoed. It is just a opening in the casting where you can see the part of the interior actually. Right-hand drive, because it's a British car. It's kind of a nice model, like it. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.